Once again, I'm your host of this evening show, Analog Village 96 Real R&R Studios. Something spectacular, man. So I'm going to turn you back into the hands of our musical director.
Hey, Pat, why don't you give me that beat, baby? It was all a tree. No, I'm
Hey.
kidding. Dun, 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 dun. That's what it sounds like.
Yeah.
But it is not. I just want to say, I thank the Lord for today. Here we go.
Yeah.
On this song right here, we're gonna feature Mr. Brent Neighbors, my homie from TSU, best HBCU on the block, feel me?
Slow down, Slim.
Listen, look, we gonna go on straight. You can tell who went to PV, huh?
Hey.
I got love for PV, man, you feel me? I don't know why they always hated me.
Man, I want you to tag everybody that marched in the ocean.
Yeah,
I want you to tag everybody that stayed in the county homes.
yeah. Shout
I
out.
want you to tag everybody in 3rd Ward from Detroit all day, man, and let them know.
Acres Homes.
Acres Shakers.
You did.
Yeah.
We showing out. Up here,
SWAT,
man.
Worldwide West.
Sterling, what's up?
You already know how I'm coming.
Back when Jones was open, feel me?
Worthing, Yates,
Yeah.
Booker T.
Yeah.
We even could jump out into the birds, man. Westfield, Cashmere,
Bridgepoint.
all of that, man. Ike. And let people know that they homies is on.
Let's do it, Brent. Y'all popping your fingers at home like this. Yeah.
Now check it out. Some of y'all been up under each other for a couple days right now, but this is one of the moments we provide you something that you can't get without us. So fellas, grab your lady, and ladies, grab your man. Turn this shit up as loud as you can, understand?
Yeah.
Get to the middle of the dance floor. Pull them close.
They're probably in there cooking, dancing in the kitchen.
Hey. Just dance. All my two-steppers. Let me see it.
Preach, baby, preach. Bring neighbors, y'all. Come on. Brent Neighbors, y'all.
I see you, Brent.
Thank you, Chicago.
I see you, Brent. They hear you too, man.
Man, sing to these people. Yeah. I don't know what you